Red is one of the most difficult colors to blend with alcohol markers. It can easily look streaky or patchy. Many beginners struggle with smooth red gradients. Hi, I'm Olena, an illustrator and educator. And let me show you a simple way to make red blends softer. Red pigments are very intense. They build up quickly on the paper. Because of that, transition can look harsh. If you add too much color too quickly, the gradient becomes uneven. One common mistake is starting with the darkest red. This makes it difficult to control the transition. Instead, let me show you a simple technique to avoid hard edges. Start with the light or mid-tone red. Then gradually add darker shade. After that, go back to the previous color and make softer blending. Adding next darker red color and going back to the previous one to solve the transition. And the same goes to the deepest red, laying it down and blending with the previous color. Now this is the simple technique that can help you to make softer blends with red. Let's see how it works on an actual illustration. I'll be showing you on the example of this white-red tulip. The transition between white and red on this tulip is slightly harsher. This time I'm using cooler tones of red. And in my previous example, this was warmer red. At this particular illustration, I'm gonna be using mostly mid-tone and dark tone reds, but here I'm still starting with the light red. This can help me to make softer transition. So now I'm making the base layer for the edges of the red area. Now it's time for the mid-tone red, and I'm filling in the rest of the red area with this color. I need to show the strokes with this color, and I'm always following the shape of the petal. Keep working on the rest of the petals. For the softer transition, I'm going back with my previous light red and softening the edges. Now I can build up my deep red tone to the areas where it needs to be, keeping in mind to always follow the shape of the petals. To make the softer blend, I'm going back with my mid-tone red and smoothing it out. I can even go back to my lightest red and make softer transitions on the lighter areas. I need to make some areas even darker, but I don't have darker red, so I'm gonna be using violet, and I'm going over the deepest red areas with my dark violet. To make the transition softer and smoother, I'm going over the violet with my deepest red. This will help not only to make a softer transition, but to make a violet a little bit warmer in temperature as well. If you would like to know how to draw white areas of the tulip on the white paper, in full lesson on Patreon, we draw the entire tulip step by step. I show the full coloring process from sketch to final details. You can find the link in the description. So this is the secret to blend difficult reds with alcohol markers. Start with the lighter color, then add volume and blend in between. I really hope this blending tutorial was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!